So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you're going to find the drive where you have Windows installed on. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. Double click on that. And now you're going to click on Program Files. Now once you're on this, you're going to search for right here, ospprearm.exe. This will also be down below in the description. You're going to search for that, and now this will come up. You want to run these files as an admin. So you want to right click on it, and then click on Run as Administrator, and then click on Yes. You want to repeat this for all the files that come up here which have this name. And then once you do that, for the next step, we're going to go back to this PC. Now we're going to go back to our Windows drive, and this time we're going to go to Program Files x86. We're now going to type in that same thing right here. It's going to be ospprearm.exe. And if you find anything with this name in this folder, then you want to right click on it and then click on Run as Administrator again. In my case, I don't have it in this folder because my office is not x86, instead it's x64. So you're just going to check both the Program Files folders, and then if you find this file in these folders, you just want to run it as administrator, and then this should now fix your problem.